Hey, so have you ever noticed that when it comes to investing in others, it might be a little bit easier for you to actually like take out your credit card, buy a gift for that loved one or even that one client, or maybe even a cousin or a family member or your spouse or anybody, right? Sometimes it's easier to do it for someone else, but when it comes to you, have you realized that it might be a little bit harder, or maybe is it hard for you to invest in your business? A lot of the people that we've talked to in the past, or the people that maybe had some trouble actually taking that initiative and investing in their business and making it happen, it just happened to be a limiting belief that they might have had, just because they might think, oh, what is my ROI, or am I gonna make this happen, or is this even worth it, is this even for me, is this even something that I want to do? Well, at the end of the day, there's only two reasons why people don't buy. They think that it's not going to be a good fit for them, or they just don't see the value in it. If you see the value in something, take that risk to actually put that value in you. If you do see value in it and you see that it's going to work out for you, take advantage of it. The last thing that you really want to do is actually invest time, money, resources into something that you wouldn't want to, right? So next time you're thinking about investing, make sure to actually take a look at these three things. Is it for me? Is there value? Is it going to help me? Are those three things being covered? And why it is that you're looking to invest in your business. And always think about it. The more that you invest in you, the more people will be willing to invest in you.
Subscribe! You can do it! We're going to be putting out a lot of content for you, for your business, for your life. We're going to be traveling. We're going to show you inside scoop. See ya.